Hello, welcome to Tahila Graphics. In this tutorial, we are going to learn mask-based light effects. Okay, it's all about simulation. Okay, let's go. First of all, we are going to remove the lock on this image layer. Right. Next, we are going to make the image a little bit darker. Okay, we go to layer mask icon, adjustment layer icon. Okay, we click on it and we click on brightness and contrast. We click on it and we slide brightness to the left to make it a little bit darker. Okay. Next, we are going to use Polygonal Lasso tool to trace the path of light from the lantern. Okay, so we go to Polygonal Lasso tool and we go. All right, we have traced it. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to go back to adjustment layer and click on brightness and contrast again. Right, then we come down to brightness and slide to the right. You can see it. Okay. Next, we are going to click on the brightness and contrast, the second layer. Okay, so we click on it and we click on mask. We go to feather and we slide to the right. So that's it. So we go to the eye icon, we switch on, we switch off, we switch on, we switch off. Okay, let's slide a little to the right for the layer. All right. Now we add a little embellishment, okay? We go to adjustment layer again and we click on it and we go for curve. Okay, we go for curves and okay, we brightened it a little. Okay, next we go for levels and here we go. Okay, So finally, let's see what we've got here. So we go to the eye icon. We switch on, we switch off, we switch on, we switch off. So that is what we have. And thank you so much for watching.